Metal roof joint gaps due to thermal movement can seriously mess with your roof's durability and let water sneak in when you least want it. So like, when metal roofs heat up and cool down, they expand and contract, right? That movement can create gaps at the joints, which is a total pain because water and debris get through those cracks. To keep things tight, you want to use flexible sealants that can stretch and move with the metal instead of cracking or peeling off. Silicone-based or polyurethane sealants are usually your best bet since they handle temperature swings pretty well. Another pro move is installing expansion joints that let the metal shift naturally without stressing the seams. You gotta keep an eye on these spots during regular roof checkups and reseal any cracks before they get worse. Also, don't try to skimp on quality materials because cheap sealants won't last through seasons of heating and cooling. If you're not sure about how to do this yourself, hiring a contractor who knows metal roofing is a smart way to avoid headaches later. One of the biggest issues with metal roof joint gaps from thermal movement is using rigid sealants that crack as the metal moves. Switching to flexible ones fixes that easily. Another common mistake is skipping expansion joints. Without them, the metal can warp or buckle over time, so make sure your roof design includes them. Lastly, some folks ignore regular maintenance checks, which lets small gaps turn into big leaks. Check your roof every year and reseal as needed to keep things watertight. BigHomeProjects.com hooks you up by helping homeowners find trusted local contractors who really know how to handle metal roofs and thermal movement issues. At the same time, it's a solid platform for contractors looking to connect with people needing their skills on projects like these.